making the most delicious, tender beef brisket. My family absolutely loves brisket. They say that I make the best brisket. I don't know about that, but it does come out pretty good. And this is what I use. So you'll need 1 cup of soy sauce, about 5 cloves of garlic, juice of 1 lemon, 2 cans of beef consomme, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, and for the very end, some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This bad boy right here is about 7 pounds. So let's get started. Once you place your beef brisket into a large pan, then you can add the soy sauce, just like that. Next, add the 2 cans of beef consomme. Then 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. Just like that. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, and of course, take out the pits. Then add 5 cloves of garlic. Now spread the garlic like this. And this is gonna marinate for 8 hours, or you can marinate it overnight, or you can just cook it right away. It's up to you. We're gonna preheat the oven to 325, and the trick to getting this nice and tender is slow. Cook it slow and low. This brisket is 7 pounds and it cooks 40 minutes per pound. So this brisket will cook for about 5 hours on a low heat at 325, and it'll come out so tender. But you're gonna cover it with foil just like this. And you just stick it in the oven and forget about it for 5 hours. It's that easy. I don't know about you, but I'm starved and I need to eat this brisket. I made it with some creamy garlic mashed potatoes, some grilled asparagus, so enjoy.